so here we are in Blender. Let's select the cube and delete it. We go to File, Edit Preferences. We're just gonna check if the actual plugin is installed. So here it's activated, Import, Export, SourceIO. We go to File, Import. We're gonna click Source Engine, Assets, and we're gonna go Source2, Packed. Then we're gonna navigate to our folder of Counter-Strike 2. We go to Game, CSGO, Maps, and let's start with Office. Just have to wait for a second. And here we have the map imported, or at least the different map files in the right location. You don't see anything, but we're just gonna start loading the entities. So I'm just gonna select one. We go to SourceIO. In my case, I normally turn off use BVLG and use instances and just replace the entity. So let's put the entity. And now something is loaded, but we don't see it yet. Oh, we actually do. Here we see at least a plane. So if I'm just going to select a couple more. And the reason I'm not selecting everything at once is because in my experience at the moment it crashes. So I'm just going to speed this process up, but I'm just going to add more and load more entities within this actual Blender project. So yeah, you just have to go to the whole project and just load in the different entities. You can try to do everything at once, but in experience, then Blender will crash. Keep in mind that the people that are making this obviously said it's an initial release to support CS2, but for me it already works great. And that's it. That's how you import a map in Blender from Counter-Strike.